Excuse me. Excuse me. Do you have
jumper cables? That's okay. Thank you.
You want to rap? Hi, how you doing? It's your girl Jasmine T, and I'm back with another video. Ew, why did I just say that like that? I'm back with another weekly vlog, y'all. I'm coming with it. I'm coming with them. I hope you're enjoying them. I haven't posted the other one yet. That one's going up on Thursday. Weekly vlogs always go up on Thursdays. So be subscribed to check them out. Be sure to follow on my social medias. They are linked in the description box down below. And oh, I have a new Instagram. I have a new TikTok. And my new TikTok, I haven't posted anything on there yet, so I'm not gonna really promote it, but I'm gonna do my stuff tomorrow, so you're gonna see some of that. So stick around if you wanna see some good. I'm gonna yap for a little bit and then we'll get into the weekly vlog. I am in a season where I am realizing that I'm mean, and I don't want to be mean. I want people to see me and like enjoy their time, like enjoy my presence. Like I always want my presence to be welcoming. Sometimes I can really come off really catty, and I don't want to be that girl anymore. I don't want people to see me and be like, oh yeah, don't bother her. Like, no. Oh, my light. It's cold, y'all. It's getting cold outside. It's chilly. It's October 1st. First of all, hello October 1st. Can we thank God for that? So yeah, I just wanted to come on here and yak for a little bit and start the week off, because I usually, well, I'm like starting fresh with my YouTube. I want to start over, and I'm excited. Do I have anything planned? I don't think I have anything planned. I don't have to, but I'm gonna go to the store with my friend because she just had a baby. I don't like to call her. That's crazy. My godson just popped up on the screen. It's Thursday is when I'm, you know, we're gonna be outside a little bit because I'm about to get paid. I'm about to get paid. I don't really plan my weeks. I kind of just go with the flow of things. Even if I tell you that I'm gonna do something, I'm probably gonna do something else, and you know, not really much. Oh, it's October 1st, baby. I'm watching Jeepers Creepers. I'm about to figure out how I can watch Jeepers Creepers. Jeepers Creepers is such a good movie. Jeepers. Okay. Oh no, Jeepers Creepers 2 is the best one. Sorry. Ads. No. The only reason I'm saying I don't like ads is just because look at how many ads it is, and the amount of time is on the ad. I'm having some technical difficulties. Playback error. Video can be watched on external. It's just killing the vibe. Do I have to watch it on my phone though? Like, what's going on? I don't know. So yeah, I think I will see you guys tomorrow though, and we'll start the weekly vlog for real then. Ladies, later.
I can be in her lane and your lane. Just because I'm doing it in her life, it doesn't mean that I'm not doing it in your life too. I know how to be in everybody's lane at the same time. And I'm paying attention to what you need. And I'm paying attention to what hurts you. And I'm paying attention to what's still dormant inside of you. God pays attention because he recognizes that I'm trying to keep you in your lane. And sometimes in order to keep you in your lane, he does have to go ahead of us and make our crooked path straight. In order to keep us in our lane, he does have to do some things that help us to recognize that only God could do this. But what I love the most about God is even when we swerve out of our lane, he shows up there too. David said again in Psalm, if I make my bed in hell, you'll be there. Which means that he's not just God when you're doing everything right. And he's not just showing up just because you showed up in all of your righteousness and holiness. But when we look back over our lives, I bet a few of us see some times where I swerved out of my lane, but God was still there in the midst of it all. What kind of God do we serve? Who won't even allow us to get out of line and treat us the way we treat people when they get out of line.
The eyebrows are done. This is how I'm starting my video. My friend called me. Hold on. This is how I'm starting the TikTok video. So I'll see y'all when I'm done with the makeup, because then I'm gonna get dressed and everything. I gotta hurry up because that's what my friend calling me. Ugh. All right, y'all. I just finished my makeup. I'm watching Rebel Bridge for the second time. It's so good. My makeup came out so good today. The hair came out good. The makeup came out good. The outfit must be about to eat. So I'm about to put on my clothes. If you watch my last weekly vlog, it's still the clothes from last weekly vlog. I actually, when I'm finished taking pictures, I gotta make sure that I finish editing that video because it has to go out tomorrow. And yeah, so I'm about to get dressed. I just feel really pretty. The hair kind of like crunchy. That's why I don't like putting like stuff in it, but it's okay. Also, don't mind my dressers. I'm gonna have to say this every vlog because my dressers are broke because this dresser fell on that dresser and bent the things, whatever. Anyways, I'm about to get dressed. I just felt like talking because I'm so, yeah. Actually, I'm about to do a few TikToks with my robe still on. And Beyonce said, I guess love just wasn't enough. I changed the song because when you can resonate with that song, it's just something different. It's like heartbeat. She said, you took the life right out of me. Gosh, that song is so sad. Like, bitches can't keep up with me and I'm letting bitches know. What you say? I'm dead, bitch. I'm dead, bitch. Let me see if it's coming. Bitches can't keep up with me and I'm letting bitches know. What you say? I'm dead, bitch. Oh, that's tough. Oh, I can't even do a transition. I already did my makeup. I gotta do this one. Two hands to heaven while voices went wild. And no whiskey apart. Talk to the touch, let your hoes on. It's yours, baby, you can crash your own. Alright, bye y'all. Alright y'all, so I'm done making my TikToks. Now I'm about to see which outfit I want to do my get dressed with me with. Alright, so this is, I'll probably wear this jacket. Yeah, this is cute. Alright, so this is giving like fall doll, Paul and Shaw. And I bought this flannel last year. But I'm just not getting around to wearing it. That's fine. Thinking, well, if I was to wear this, then I could wear this bag, like shades of tan. Right? Like, this is cute. Okay. But this is really simply cute. I like the leg. The leg eats. Like, what about you, babe? And this is the next outfit. This is giving, like, sexy. And then the caption might be like, just because it's fall don't mean shorts gotta be completely out the question. Put a jacket on. Yeah, I like this one. I just like to show like a little bit of stomach, and then let the rest of the. I love my legs though. My legs is my favorite part of my body, and my eyes. All right, y'all, I'm dressed. The fit is thrown, honey, and I'm done with the video. So now it's time to. Let me finish this video. Now it's time to go take some pictures. I kind of don't want to go by myself. Yeah. Let me tell y'all what's happening right now.
Hey guys.
I forgot the jacket.
She forgot the jacket of both outfits.
Both of the
Not
jackets.
one, but two. I told her to just take the pictures.
Take the pictures.
And just post like old to me, new to you guys.
I feel like
you know,
with the leather boots and the leather jacket, it was just like... Alright, we're gonna take them and just see what they look like. Where the hell did I just put that? Alright.
I got a chick, and it, got a dick, I got it.
We're done taking pictures.
Yeah.
What we about to do?
I don't smoke.
It was
But
at this
I
moment
need
that
to
he
put
knew
the, should we put
he
the light?
fucked up.
I'm trying
We
to
just
get
want some help.
home.
Like, I'm gonna ask him since he's.
I don't want to put the
Let's
light
ask him
on.
together.
Okay.
Excuse me. So, oh shit, that's the same person. That's the same motherfucking person. I just he did a U-turn or something. I don't know.
We playing passies with the camera.
Yes.
Passies.
Oh, you can put it back. I'm sorry. You smell like Dove.
Thank you.
I'm trying to get us.
I
some
forgot
jumps.
every jacket. What the hell did I?
You need mine?
No,
Bang my shit.
I didn't mean to do it like that. I'm trying to stop cursing.
I can actually have a normal
I
conversation
know.
without a curse in my sentences.
This is funny to me.
Right.
You need to deal with this.
Because this is a man's job.
Yeah, it's like.
Boo.
Ooh.
Excuse me. Hi. Do you have jumper cables? It's okay. Thank you.
I don't. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry.
Somebody lying.
Hello. Mind you, the jumper key was right in the trunk.
I really don't want to leave your car here. I want you to at least be able to drive home, like just straight home, like don't stop, type shit. Think I should stop driving. This don't seem helpful.
It seems
we
very
trying.
helpful. I'm just like,
Over it.
yeah.
Ain't got no fucking jumpers. If we take jumpers from them, we taking their juice. Excuse me. I'ma still drive.
Yeah.
You got jumpers?
Yep. Yo, what?
No.
I just don't be.
This is not the South, I feel like. The South
Yes,
I feel like the South
yes.
will help you so much
The South
easier.
would just be like,
somebody would get out their car
somebody
and
would
try
get
to
out
still
their-
help if they
yes.
didn't have the jumpers.
I want to go to the country so
My stank
bad.
old
I want
engine.
to go back to Louisiana. I can't lie.
Louisiana, that's the country? It sound like country. It sound country.
Oh, that's the country? Yeah, that's Louisiana is right next to Texas. But it's its
Really?
own state.
New Orleans.
Mm-hmm.
I want to go to
Baton
New
Rouge.
Orleans. Baton Rouge is not a good place to be.
You know that's where I used to live.
You want that's the ghetto. You know that, right?
It didn't feel like it. But I know it was.
How old were you?
Like 12, 11, 12, 13. Yeah.
That's probably why.
Excuse me. Excuse me. Do you have
Do you
jumper
have jumper cables? That's okay. Thank you.
I gotta stop rolling my eyes at people.
They ain't got no fun.
He got jumper cables.
Hey!
Excuse me. Excuse
Nigga,
me.
hey! Yeah, he got jumper.
He will have jumper cables. You want rap?
Okay. Let's go. Okay. Let's go.
I don't got
Okay.
no words, but I got something to say.
We out here and we stuck. But you know what? We give no fucks. We outside. We run these streets.
Running.
Who the fuck coming up to us and eat? Bitch, we born to eat. We destined
What happened?
for greatness. Yeah. Destined for greatness. Yeah. Destined for greatness. Destined for greatness.
I can already see it. It's gonna happen. This is cute, I guess. People always say, you have the best setup to be a content creator, which is really true. It's really nice in here, actually. And today we're gonna go be, oh, guys, I got paid. I got paid. She got some money in her pocket. She's excited again. She's able to live again. Cause my last check was my check from when I went to Houston. And I ain't had no time, so I ain't used no time. I just took off. I was gonna sit here and do my edges with y'all, but y'all know yesterday I took my pictures. First of all, I gotta talk to y'all about yesterday. Yesterday was absolutely nuts. Like, it's just, I'll tell y'all. But I left my edge controller in the car, so I am about to just do my eyebrows. And while I do my eyebrows, I'll just talk to y'all about what happened yesterday. So yesterday, I know I packed up my bag to go to content day. Go do content day. And we get there. Well, on my way, y'all know I was going to go take my pictures by myself. So I bought my tripod, I bought everything that I would need to take my pictures by myself. And then I'm like, let me just call my friend, see if he want to take my pictures, because that'll be easier for me. Call my friend, he says, yeah, I go to his house. We go to where we want to go take pictures at. Get there, I didn't bring neither jacket. Y'all know that. I told y'all that. I didn't bring neither jacket to take the pictures in. So I feel like the pictures were kind of a waste, because I don't think I'm going to post those. Because I really want to take it with. I'm gonna do the pictures again. I might take them by myself this time, because I'm not gonna job my car. So before we even get to the car, we about to go take the pictures. We get there. He like, just take the pictures. They're gonna come out cute still, because you still look cute. It just looked like it's getting cold outside while you got these on. So he was like, let's take the pictures, and then just put old to me, new to y'all. And I'm like, that's cute. That's dope. All right, we'll take these pictures. We leave to go. We about to walk off to go take the pictures. We can't find the key. Where's the key? The key was just sitting right there. We can't find the key. I'm like, all right, let's go take the pictures. I'll leave the door halfway open. Like, when we come back, I'll get the key. I make sure to turn the light off so the battery not running. Whatever. Right? Get back to the car. What we about to do? We about to go chill. We about to go chill, right? I get in the car. I got a video of it, because I had to send it to my cousin. That's who came and helped us. We sitting there at first, and she's like, she got AAA. She'll do AAA for me, but they'll come in the morning. I'm like, I'm sitting in a spot that's no overnight parking. It literally says no overnight parking, so this is gonna get towed. She's like, you got paper in your car, write a note, whatever. Then she like, send me a video so I can see if you even need a jump.
Nah, we don't know the behind the scenes shit.
Oh, it wasn't like that before. Okay. Oh gosh. So I sent her a video of the car. She like, I'm on my way. She came and got us. This girl is a genius. Like, I need to record this because my cousin is a genius, okay? My cousin could figure it out. It started. I want y'all to know that when I'm really up there in life, it's a couple people that's gonna get it from me. That's my sisters, my parents, and my cousins. Them cousins that's really my cousins. Not them cousins that's just my cousin because we got the same last name. Them cousins that come through for me. I got a lot of people that I gotta give it to. And they gonna get it. Trust me, they gonna get it. So that's why I really gotta come up in life, because so many people help me out in so many different situations, no matter if it's spiritual, if it's financial, it doesn't matter what it is. I got people who I could call in my family. I'm never the person that's like, oh, I'm up and stranded. By the way, we're going, oh, I'm not even driving. Oh my gosh, it's all in the car. So we got to the, she turns the car on. I'm like, my cousin is a genius. I drive home, that's it. We get to today. I'm not gonna drive that car anywhere. I'm gonna act like I don't have a car, because it doesn't make sense to keep driving a car it's not safe. At this point, it's just really not safe. And I have to edit this video. I want it to be up by, I think, 5. Yeah, I want it to be up by 5. I'm gonna finish editing today, save it today, and then that's it for the video. I was thinking about making breakfast. I'm about to go make some scrambled eggs and turkey bacon. I'm about to try turkey bacon for the first time. I've never had turkey bacon. I've never been the type to say I want turkey bacon, so I just never had it. I'm about to just see what it's talking about. I need some lip gloss, but it's all in the car. Like, I was so aggravated last night. I left everything in the car. I said, bump this stuff, man. When was the last time I talked to you guys? Oh my gosh. Remember when I told y'all yesterday that I needed to edit the video yesterday so I didn't have to do this today? Well, I didn't edit the video yesterday and I did this today. And it's 5 o'clock and I wasted my day, but I'm doing the stuff that I love, so it's okay. I was really like low-key trying to catch an attitude, but I really couldn't because this is really what I want to do. Like, it's literally what I want to do. So I just posted my video. That's why I got on the camera. Let me sit up. That's why I got on the camera, because I'm like training myself. Let me fix my hair. Sorry. My lips dry, everything. Just give me a second. I'm training myself to like not have a car. It's only 30 minutes to get over there by Home Goods, and then maybe I could take an Uber back. Oh, I'm back on my Uber gig. Ugh. I used to be an Uber girl. Like, I used to Uber everywhere. Uber everywhere. And then I started doing Lyft. And then I just started Lyfting everywhere. Then I got a car. Then it's a 22-minute walk once I get off the bus. I feel like that's good. Like, I feel like I should be fine. Like, you can walk. I'm very able-bodied. That's why I keep telling people. They be like, how you gonna live without a car? Like, I'm very able-bodied. I can walk. Like, I can walk. And I'm not saying that I can walk anywhere. And I'm not saying that I'm gonna be happy every time I'm walking. But I feel like I have more peace. Y'all don't understand the mental struggles that I go through with that car. I was on my phone this whole time. Now I'm gonna be driving. I mean, now I'm not even gonna be able to be in my car. So I need to charge my phone. It's charging. I'm gonna let my phone charge for about, let me see what time it is, until 6 o'clock. I'll see y'all when I'm about to do my edges and everything, but I'll see y'all when I'm public transportation. I'm actually gonna see y'all when I'm walking. I don't think I'm gonna be able to record myself on a bus. It's not that I'm embarrassed. It's just that, like, I'm on a bus. Like, what do I need to record? The walk has begun. Hello? I like my hair in the back. Anyway, so I had just realized that I never told y'all the devotion. I remember I started I think the first clip off, I was gonna tell y'all about it. I didn't do it because I was waiting to tell y'all, for real. So I think this one is so cool because I don't know if y'all noticing, I'm trying to change like habits, and I said something like I'm trying to stop cursing, but I also said I'm trying to smile more. I don't know if I said this on this vlog or the last vlog, or maybe I never said it out loud at all, but I'm really trying to smile more. So this devotion says, happy are people who have pure hearts because they will see God. That's it. I'm gonna listen to these while I walk because I got like maybe like 15 more minutes to go. And I'll see y'all when I get there. I know how I feel about water and trees. Actually, I used to come over here all the time and just sit, but they put gates up. It was all the way over there. But the trees are so beautiful and the water is so beautiful. Look at these trees, y'all. I don't know why I really love trees, but y'all can't tell me that's not beautiful. Like, come on, these trees are beautiful. Anyways, Teacher Max is over there. I'm gonna sit here for like, I really sat down low-key because I'm a little bit tired and my feet hurt. So I would rather like rest my feet just a little bit and then go shop around because I'm, like I said, I'm gonna Uber home. So yeah. We're here. Only thing about looking at these bags is I'm not here for bags. I'm here for decorations. But look at this. Look at this. I'm getting these. I found exactly what I was looking for. I did not stop. I kept going. I kept walking. Look at this right here. does this is so crazy? I was thinking this. I wouldn't be getting nothing else. The next thing I need is a winter blanket. So, but I also probably wouldn't get my blanket from there because I like to get mine from Big Lots because they be having a lot of good stuff for the low. And they gotta match my bed and these pillows now. So I found this. It's just a blanket, and I sleep with like multiple blankets. So, and last winter and the winter before that, I think I had something similar to this. So I think I'm gonna go with this because it's $40. I don't know. I'm scared to buy it just because I might find like a comforter, and I like having a comforter. Because when I have a comforter, I never get under my comforter. I always lay on top of my comforter with my cover. My favorite season is during Christmas time. This would probably go for like $80 I'm sure. Just 3 pillows. $1. These are huge. I hate being broke. One day I'm not gonna be broke and I'm gonna be able to buy whatever I want. I'm gonna be like, remember those times when you couldn't buy 2 sets of pillows?
Have a good night.
All these bags. Okay, I got these pillows.
How much was those pillows? We need prices included.
Two for $40.
Insane.
You
I
don't
would've
think that's
walked out.
cheap?
Girl, I used to buy them shits 2 for $20.
I'm gonna put this behind my bed.
I have these like.
Excited about this. All right, and then I got this cover. Oh, this was, let me see. This was $13. This was $40. I'm mad I bought this though. I might give this back. Because you could go to Big Lots and really get a comforter. Oh, look what I got.
That is so cute. Oh my god, I want one.
I said, imagine hot chocolate in here with all the marshmallows. Oh my gosh. I can't wait until Christmas time.
Like,
Yeah, that's it.
wait, you want to see the kid that I was talking to you about?
Yeah. Y'all ready? Y'all ready for this? Oh. Oh my gosh. I can't even stand up. I just hit my head.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But I'm like contemplating whatever.
Yeah. I really gotta put that on the desk. But you can't do it like me. Okay, so I just want to let y'all know what's going on before I head to bed. What is that? Oh, I was saying, what is that shit? So I did the pillows like this. I think it's cute. Whatever. I do need another cover because I'm gonna trade that. I'm gonna trade that cover back because I know I can go to Big Lots and actually get a comforter that comes with a sheet and pillows. Like, you know what I'm saying? I had to wash the cup and use the cup. It's so big and so cute. I'm about to watch Prison Break. I'm actually watching Prison Break for the first time ever. Nobody never recommended that show, but I kind of saw it as an ad. This looks like I'm drinking milk and I'm not. So let me tell y'all what I'm drinking. I'm drinking tea, chamomile tea, honey French vanilla chamomile tea, or honey vanilla caramel tea. And I got French vanilla syrup, not syrup, like liquid, and almond milk creamer. in here. Oh my gosh. It's like a warm glass of milk before bed. It's so good. So if you haven't tried it, you need to try it. That's all I have for you today. Oh, I forgot to tell you, I got this lamp also. I got to buy a light. I got this from Home Goods. So yeah, this is my mug for the rest of the year. Wow. If I find a fall one, I'll get a fall one. But until then, bye.